Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to discuss where you can download the softwares required for executing all the programs that we are going to write in this course. Let's get started. So now as the first thing, let us try to find out the ARM Keel Microvision Phi software over the internet. Open the Google Chrome. Here type in Keel and in this www.keel.com click on this downloads link and here directly click on the product downloads. And you can find several softwares right over here. Just click on the MDK ARM, which is meant for programming the drivers for ARM devices. And here you just want to fill up this contact information form. So it is very simple. You just want to give your first name, last name, email address, company name and job title. Here you just want to select the country where you are located in, and after that give the phone number and check this box, and after that click on submit. And after completing that form and clicking on the submit button, you will be directed to this page directly. So you will not be required to confirm any emails. So you will not be getting any OTP numbers. So you will be directly diverted to this page. Here just click on this link embeddedsystem.exe for downloading the Keel Microvision 5.3.6 software, which is the latest version available in this ARM Keel. As soon as I clicked this link, you can see my downloads has been started. You can see here in the left bottom corner mdk536.exe is being downloaded. So once the downloading is done, you can directly install this software without any difficulties with a simple easy installation setup. So in this manner, you can download the Keel Microvision software and you can install it to your PC directly. And now let us try to install the Stellaris ICID drivers required for interfacing this Tiva C series launchpad development board to our PC. Open the Google Chrome and type in Stellaris ICID drivers and open this www.ti.com. Here click on the downloads button in the tab. And here you can find the SWICDI drivers. Click on this download button for downloading this driver software for free. You can see the driver has been successfully downloaded, and now when I go to the downloads page, you can see here is a zip file. Right click on it and extract to the folder required. It has been downloaded somewhere else, extracted somewhere else. Let me find it out. And you can see here is the folder. Open it. For installing the USB drivers, first of all connect the Tiva C series launchpad to the PC USB port through micro USB cable like this. And after connecting, you just want to turn on the push switch right over here for providing the power for the microcontroller. You can see a green LED is turned on as soon as I turned the switch to that side. Now let's get into the installation of driver. And for installing this driver, you just want to open the device manager. Right click on this PC and click on properties and click on device manager in the left top corner. Here you can see I have already installed the drivers. That is why it is showing like Stellaris ICID DFU device and Stellaris ICID JTAG SWD interface. And also if you click on the ports, you can find the USB serial device, which is also the USB driver for this Stellaris development board. Since I have connected the Tiva C series launchpad to my PC using micro USB cable, it is showing like this. And for installing this, just go to the same site where you have downloaded this drivers and below this you can find a technical documentation. I'm just going to open this. You can see the Texas Instruments has already provided a document for installing this driver. Come over here for driver installation using Windows 7 or 8. What you want to do is open the device manager as I did. If you have not installed the drivers, it will show you like this exclamation marks. So just right click on the first in-circuit debugger interface and click on update driver software. And in the pop-up menu prompting, just click on the browse my computer for driver software. And in the next tab, click on this browse button and choose the Stellaris ICID drivers folder that we have already downloaded right over here. Come to this location and select this folder right over here in the pop-up menu prompting. And after that, click on next here and the driver will be automatically getting installed to your PC. And here if it is prompting like this, just click on install this driver software anyway. And after few minutes you will find the Stellaris virtual serial port, Stellaris ICDA DFU device and Stellaris ICDA JTAG bar SWD interface like this in my PC. So you will get this USB device as well as the Stellaris ICDA DFU device and Stellaris ICDA JTAG bar SWD interface in your PC also after the successful installation of this driver. So in this manner you can install the drivers for the Tiva C series launchpad, that is Stellaris ICDA drivers. Now after installing the Keel Microvision IDE, just open the Keel Microvision Phi. Here just click on this pack installer for installing the necessary packs for the microcontroller that we are going to use in this course. So you just want to click on this pack installer icon. You can see this pack installer window will be popped out. Click on OK and here scroll down a little bit and you will find this Texas Instrument tab. Click on the plus next to it in the left and you will see all the controllers related to Texas Instrument driver packages. Here we just want to install the two series packages. First one is the Tiva C series which we are going to use. Click on this Tiva C series and here click on this install button right over here. Since I have already installed the packages, it is showing up to date. And after that you just install the ORM-KIMSYS driver and ORM-KIMSYS driver validation packages. And since I have installed all these packages, it is showing me up to date. For you initially it will be showing installed right over here, as you can see right over here. If it is showing up to date, you just leave the packages. And after installing the Tiva C series packages, you just want to install the LM4F series packages. Do the same for LM4F series. Install the Keel LM4F DFP, KIMSYS driver and KIMSYS driver validation. And since I have installed these packages too, it is showing me up to date. If it is showing install, just click on the and install the required package. And after installing the LM4F series drivers and Tiva C series drivers, close the pack installer. And now our Keel Microvision IDE is able to generate the startup file required for our microcontroller and for creating our project. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And now let us try to find the Stlink driver software required for interfacing this STM Nucleo F446RE development board to our PC. So go to the web and type in ST Microelectronics. So this is the home page for the ST Microelectronics site. Enter into it and here type in Nucleo F446RE. And here you can find this Nucleo F446RE, which is the development board that I am going to use throughout this course. Click on it. And here select the tools and softwares tab and click on this software development tools. And you can find ST SW Link 007, which is the firmware upgrade software, and Stlink 009, which is nothing but the USB driver software for connecting the debugger to your PC. So you must install all the 4 softwares definitely. So click on this link, and here you can find the versions. You can select any one of the versions, select the latest version and give accept and click on this get software. You can see the software is getting downloaded. Because I have already given my email ID, the software is getting downloaded easily. So if you are not getting anything, you just want to give your name and email ID, and then you can go to your Gmail and you can find this email sent from ST Microelectronics, and once you click the download now button in your email, the software will be getting downloaded. That's all about the STM link driver and firmware upgrade software. Once you have successfully installed the Keel Microvision IDE, just open the IDE and click on the pack installer icon right over here. Connect your PC to the internet via Wi-Fi or through Ethernet cable, and then you just want to make sure the packages that I am going to show now to be installed in your PC. That is, you just want this STM32F446RE driver to be installed. You can clearly see all the generic packages for this microcontroller must be installed in your PC. You can see all has been installed in my PC, and then you just want to install the drivers for TM4C as discussed before. We just want to install the drivers for TM4C123 GH6 PM. You can see for this microcontroller also all the generic packages has been installed and it is up to date. So if you have not installed, if it is showing installed right over here, just connect the PC to the internet and then click on the button right over here. It will be getting installed to your PC. So make sure that you install it, and also I hope you install the ST Microelectronics driver for STM32F446RE microcontroller that we downloaded from the ST Microelectronics site, and also you downloaded and installed the ICDI drivers, that is the Stellaris ICDI drivers required for TIVA C series launchpad, that is for the microcontroller TM4C123GH6PM. So I hope you downloaded all the drivers required for this TIVA C series launchpad and the Stlink driver required for interfacing this Nucleo F446RE development board to your PC, and also you downloaded the ARM Keel Microvision Phi IDE for programming these two development boards, and you can easily install all the drivers and software required. You need not buy any software, you can just install the light version of this software because it is enough for us to learn the programming in this Keel Microvision IDE throughout this course, and installation is also very much simpler. You can directly install the software easily in your PC, and if you face any issues in installation, you can just comment below this video or you can just write to me at smtrainingacademy@gmail.com. I hope you will be successful in the installation process of all the softwares. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.